Hi guys, welcome to another video. I'm Jay and this is my channel, Make Money with Video. In today's video, we're going to look at text to video software, and we're going to look at two of the programs that I use. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to show you some examples of how to use these softwares on various different social medias and to make money with. And also, I'm going to give you my honest opinion of which one I think is the best one. So without further ado, let's get into this, guys. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is my channel where I show you how to make money with video using different video creation softwares and tools, and I show you on different social medias. So if you've not been here before, feel free to come and check it out. It's still a small channel, but let's get into it, guys. Now, one of the channels using this method is Body Hub. It's quite a new channel, but it's got quite a lot of subscribers already. It's making between 524 to 8.4 thousand per month. And if you look, all it is an image in the background and a bit of text on the screen, guys. That is it. Yeah, you're not showing your face, you're not speaking on camera. That is it, guys. Just a bit of an image and a bit of text on the screen. So the software we're talking about is Vidnami. Now, let me just come off this. Let's go back to this. This is what it looks like. You could choose between landscape, square, and vertical. So you can make them for Instagram and TikTok, as well as Facebook ads, as well as YouTube. So we're going to look at the YouTube today, guys. Now I'm going to pick this one for no particular reason. Pick whichever you want, whichever color you fancy, and this is what it brings it up like. Now you've got to find some text, yeah, and then you just paste it in here. So it's going to go over to. I just typed in top 10 movies on Netflix, yeah, because I've got a movie channel. But before we do this, well, no, we'll do it now, yeah, while we're here. So you copy it, come over, paste it, yeah. So I'm not going to have it right this second. I'm just going to say top 10 movies on Netflix. So, because I don't want to copy it, it's no good copying, guys. It's not fair, is it? And then we don't have to do all the writing. We'll just do that, yeah, guys. So we'll leave a space. Yeah, it's always nice to leave a space. Mysterious event results in widespread insomnia. Another space. Space. What I'm doing, guys, I'm giving a call to action. Yeah. So you've got your title, and that is it. Yeah, and then you'd go down and you'd probably make some more. So you do number 2, 3, 4, etc. up until 10. And then all you do then, guys, is you create scenes, and it does it for you. This is the brilliant thing about Vidnami. It makes the AI makes it for you. So look, it's dragged a picture over here, an image over here, and if you don't want this image, or well, those clips and images, if you don't want that, guys, you can either use one of these tags here, or you can create your own. But for the sake of this movie, for this video, just keep it as this, guys. Just some dude watching Netflix. Yeah. Now that's not the awake image, is it, guys? So what we'll do, you'd come over here. Is that the awake? And it's not got images on it. So what you could do, guys, you could just search for awake. I don't know, awake movie. If it finds it that way. If not, guys, you can choose whichever image or video you want. You can even upload your own, guys. So if you've got the image in that, you can use that. No, it's not showing it. So what we'll do, we'll go back to clips. We'll just do awake. Let's go. And then it's going to be showing people awake in it, guys. So let's just put This one looks a bit freaky. Yeah, we'll do that one. Yeah. Insomnia. Let's have a look at click this one, yeah. Yeah, looks good. Now you can put your own in, yeah, but for sake of this, let's just move on to the next bit, yeah. This is where you can put, you can have music only, guys. You can have auto voice, where it's the AI, record your own voice, and if you do that, you just basically you speak to it like that, yeah. So we'll just quickly show you, yeah. So counts down, yeah. The top 10 movies on Netflix 2021. And then you'd go to next. One, Awake. When a mysterious event results in widespread insomnia. Oh, I didn't press it. Anyway, guys, that's how you do it, guys. Or you can come back here. You can go to play this. Right. It's not available. Let's just. So you pick your music. You pick your voiceover. You change any the scenes you want, guys. This is where you can choose your music. Yeah. I'm going to keep that. It sounds quite good. Looks good. Continue. And that is it, guys. You just press generate your video and it makes your video. Now, think about how quick you can make these. Yeah, guys. Now, this is probably the longest part. It won't take that long, to be fair. But when once it's rendered, I will show you how to quickly, yeah, just transfer it into a TikTok video. Because if you look here, this is my channel. Yeah, this is Movies Games Beyond, and it's got all these different, like, it's got all sorts of different headings. Look, Christmas, lifestyle, feel free to come, lesbian, feel free to, oh, and it's got facts here. So if you want to check out these facts, got some games, Amazon Prime, Netflix, you name it, guys. Feel free to come and check it out. This is a pretty good website, I think. If I do say so myself. But this is Movies Games Beyond TikTok page. And if you look, guys, here, I am using the same sort of videos. And it's only a new channel. But if you look, yeah, these are different. This is a different style of it as well, yeah. Them ones in. Not got that many followers. Feel free to come and follow. But it's a new channel. Well, it's a newish channel, and I've just started doing this. Look, and they're getting views, guys, yeah. And if you click on them, you'll see that they're getting love hearts as well, guys. Yeah. And this is the Movies Games Beyond website. YouTube channel. Doing quite well. Nearly got to 16,000. And let me just show you the social. Yeah. So we're making between 300 and 4.8 thousand per month, guys. And if you look, we are making the same sort of videos, not showing our face, and we're putting text, image in the background, text on the screen. And as you can see, about talking about movies, and it's got like the image there. This is exactly what I'm doing with this. So look, guys, download your video. There's your video, right? But then you can come back to, I think it's the template. Yeah, come back to the template. If we put it into vertical, what we'll do, we'll have this one. Yeah, we'll use that one. We'll keep the script as it is. It'll generate the script. And if you see, guys, it's pick the same ones. So you can move these around if you want. Yeah, if you want that, at the bottom, yeah, you just click there. And look, it's at the bottom. How easy it is, guys. Same again. If you want that top, you can do. If you want to hide it, I think you click on. There's a way you can hide it. I've never done it though before. But anyway, this is how you do it, guys. It's the same again. We've got the same video. Let's add voice track. But we'll have Harry. I don't know why it's not playing that. Okay. What? Maybe it's because I've got my voice in it. I'm not sure, guys. But yeah, normally you can play around and listen to the voices. Maybe it's just having a bit of a glitch today. I don't know. We'll have the same music on it. Generate video. And then what I'll do, guys, I'll come over to TikTok here. and I'll upload it. Yeah, that's how easy it is, guys. But what I want to show you guys is this links back to my YouTube. Yeah, my YouTube channel, and in all my videos, I link over to what you call affiliate marketing. Yeah, so if I'm talking about I don't know, I'm talking about movies, obviously, but I'll link back to like the movies on Netflix or Amazon and stuff like that. So when people click on it, I make a commission. Yeah. So not only am I making ad revenue, I'm also making affiliate marketing money, guys. Now, I did say, this is the TikTok, yeah. I did say if I stay till the end, I will show you another app what can do the exact same thing. So it's called InVideo, guys. Now, if you look, they've also got the pre-made templates, text to video, and blank canvas. So we're going to look at the text to video. But just before you go, these are all the different templates they make. Yeah, and there's thousands of them. Look at that, Superman Day, cool, eh? You all know I love Superman. But you can download these, you can send them to businesses and make money that way. But we're not going into that, guys. We're going to look at the text to video. We will. You can, again, wide, so your YouTube, your Facebook, your TikTok, or you name it, TikTok, sorry, and Instagram. Yeah. So again, you can click any of these. You've got different styles for this one. Whichever you fancy, we'll just click on one, guys. It doesn't mind, does it? You want that one, click on it. And the same, guys. But what I like about this one is you can add your script here. Yeah. So same again, you can add script, or you can add the URL. Yeah. Or your media file. If you've got media file, put it in there. Yeah. Put your URL there, or your script. So for the sake of this video, we will just we'll do that. Yeah. 2 hearts. Yeah. It's gonna be, that's the headline in it. Copy, paste. And again, I don't know if you have to do it on this, but I'm going to do it anyway, guys, just for next video. And then again, call to action. Press next and it will do the exact same, guys. It will automatically find the images and that. It'll pull the images from the internet and create our video. Let me just go over to Vidnami. Yeah, and there you go, guys. It's download. Now it's downloaded. So back over to here. And again, guys, yeah, see, so it drags things across. So if you're not happy with that, again, you can change. You can go over here to upload drone. Yeah, videos, images, music. You can even add your own logo on it. But for the sake of this video, guys, I'm going to just, yeah, I think it's found the right guy, to be fair. For the sake of this video, let's just download and share. And that is it, guys. That is how easy it is. Yeah, and it'll render, and then then that's it. Download. So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. We are trying to grow the channel, and it's nowhere near the Movies Games Beyond. But if you like movies and that, feel free to check it out. We're on, as you can see, we're on TikTok, we're on YouTube, and we've got the website. Feel free, come and say hello, guys, and please give me a subscribe on here if this is the kind of videos you want to see more of. So thanks very much, guys. Until next time.